everyone. Welcome to Learn English. I'm Emma, and today we'll learn how to speak English at a restaurant.
Hello, I'm Tom. I always feel nervous when I eat at a restaurant and need to speak English.
Don't worry, Tom. Today we'll practice everything, from making a reservation to paying the bill.
That's great.
Let's start with some useful vocabulary. Repeat after me. Menu, waiter, dessert, bill, reservation.
Menu, waiter, dessert, bill, reservation.
Good evening. Table for two?
Yes, please.
Here's the menu. Would you like something to drink?
Yes, a glass of water, please.
Hello. I'd like to make a reservation for this evening.
Hello, I'd like to make a reservation for this evening.
Of course. For how many people?
For 2 people.
What time, please?
At 7:30 p.m.
May I have your name?
It's Tom.
Thank you, Mr. Tom. See you at 7:30. Emma explains. Say, I'd like to, not I want to sound polite. Say, for 2 people, not 2 person. End the call with, thank you, see you then. Now, repeat after me. I'd like to make a reservation for 2, please.
I'd like to make a reservation for 2, please.
Then Emma gives listeners time to repeat 3 reservation scenarios.
Good evening. I have a reservation under Tom.
Yes, Mr. Tom. This way, please.
Thank you. Could we sit near the window?
Sure. Here's your table.
Thank you very much.
Emma explains. Under Tom means the name on the booking. Use could we for polite requests. Always say thank you after the waiter helps you. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'd like the chicken sandwich and a salad, please.
Great choice. And to drink?
I'll have a glass of orange juice.
Anything else?
That's all, thank you.
Tom, what would you like?
I'd like the pasta and lemonade, please.
I'd like equals polite way to say I want. Anything else? Common waiter question. Reply, that's all, thank you, or no, thank you.
Excuse me, could I get some more water, please?
Of course.
The food is delicious.
Thank you. I'll tell the chef.
Excuse me, this soup is a bit cold.
I'm sorry about that. I'll bring you a hot one right away. Perfect polite complaint and polite reply. Explains. Use could I for polite requests. To complain politely, say, I'm sorry, but it's a bit cold. Could you please?
Could I have the bill, please?
Certainly. Here you go.
Thank you. Can I pay by card?
Yes, we accept cards.
Great. Keep the change.
Thank you. Have a nice evening.
Thank you. The food was wonderful.
Explains. Can I pay by card means you use a credit card. Keep the change means the waiter can keep the extra money as a tip. Always end with thank you or have a nice day. Tom, what are 3 polite phrases you learned today?
I'd like to, could I have, and can I have the bill, please?
Excellent. Great work today, everyone. We learned how to make a reservation, arrive and order politely, ask for things, pay the bill.
Thank you, Emma. Now I feel confident to speak English at a restaurant.
That's the goal. Keep practicing with friends or at your favorite cafe.
See you next time.
Next episode, learn English at the hotel.